Yes. Good afternoon, all. As you know that we have already started our chapter number 2, that is nutrition in animal. So in that, basically, we are discussing about the digestive system. Okay. In previous some classes already we have discussed about that what is digestive system, how it works, which are the various parts of this digestive system. Already we have studied. Okay, so now this all part again we will revise within 5 to 10 minutes, and again welcome to our current topic, that is buccal cavity and its parts. Okay, and after that immediately we'll go for the next parts over. Okay, so now this whatever part we have studied, that will go to the PDF. Okay, PDF and PPT also. Okay, so just pay attention over here. I'm sharing the screen. Yes. Yes, I think it's very visible to all. Okay, it's my video. I calculate. Okay, I will keep it at center. I think it's okay to all. Now let us see in this chapter. In this chapter already we discussed that is nutrition in animals. So in that we have to see that how it works. Okay. So due to some network error, okay, may look different. Okay, sure. So now in that already first part we discussed, that is what is digestion. So in this digestion we discussed that it is a process by which the animal break down complex food substances into the simpler substances. Okay, already we discussed that whatever food we eat, okay, that is to be break down. Okay, and after breaking that, see whatever food we are eating, that is in complex form. Complex form matlab kya? For example, we are eating variety of food. So in that variety of food, whether we are eating chapati, whether we are eating any sabji, or whether it is any fruit, okay, variety of food. So all these are in complex substances. Okay, we will call them as a complex substances. So to make it this complex to simpler form, okay, whatever in which form it is required to our body, it will go in that way. So the whole process is called it as a digestion. Okay, now let us see digestion in human being. Okay, how this digestion takes place, how it is important to us, that part we have to discuss it. Okay, now let us see the food. Just a minute. The food that we eat passes through a canal. Okay, already we discussed this part. Only we are revising over here. Okay, whatever part we have discussed, again we are revising, and again we are coming to our point. That is the mouth and buccal cavity. Okay, now see the food that we eat passes through one canal. Okay, now for example, all of us we are having this now. For example, I am having this type. So same thing is there. One canal is there. Okay, from it starts from our mouth to the different parts over there, so that we have discussed that day. I have given you one example, okay, of one of the route. Like for example, one train starts from one particular station. अगर A station से अगर कोई गाड़ी निकलती है from station A to station Z, if that journey is there of one particular train, so it stops at various places. Okay, it stops at various places, various stations. So same thing is there. Whatever food we eat, it goes for that digestion. We can call it as one of the journey. अगर हम उसे बोल सकते हैं कि this is one of the journey over there. So it starts, okay, this digestion starts from the mouth, or it is called it is a buccal cavity. ये जो buccal या फिर buccal, okay, you can call it as a buccal or buccal. Already I told you this part. Then it goes to the next part, that is our esophagus. Okay, esophagus, or it is called it as a food pipe. In our simple words, we can call it as a food pipe. After that, it goes to the stomach. Okay, after stomach, this food goes to the small intestine, and after small, it goes to the large intestine, and at last, after that, there is a rectum, and after rectum, there is a anus. Okay, now let us see how it looks. That part also we have to see it over here. Now you can see this. Yes, now in front of you, this diagram is there. In that, you can see it over there. How it starts, like for example, it starts from the mouth. After that, it goes to the esophagus. After esophagus, there is a sac-like structure is there that is called it as a stomach. After stomach, it enters into the small intestine. After that, large intestine, then rectum, and after that, it throughout the body by the hands. Okay. Now, next to this. Okay. Now, next to this, if you will see in this diagram, you may see that some different parts are also mentioned. Like for example, salivary gland. After that, it is mentioned that liver is also mentioned over there. What is their role in our digestion? That part also we have to see. Let us pay. Now, there are three glands associated with the alimentary canal that secrete digestive juices that are used to convert the complex food substances into the simpler food substances. For example, okay, for example, whenever we eat any dry subject, okay, that time we are drinking water in a large quantity. Have you noticed that? Whenever we eat the food, while eating the food, that time, if we are eating dry sabji with the chapati, then we have to take the water while drinking. Why? Because at that time we require some liquid part to grind it well. Okay, so for that, our body, okay, whenever this digestion continues, so at that time, our body also required some liquid part, some juices. So who is playing this role? This role is played by these glands. Gland matlab kya? This is a small kind of body part only, okay? But what is the role of this gland? There are so many glands are there in our body, okay? This all part already we have discussed, but in the form of PPT, I am showing you over here, okay? We have seen this part with the help of videos, okay? But now I am explaining you this with the help of PPT. Students, keep in mind that this lesson is very important. That's why we are studying this lesson very slowly. Okay, so whatever each and every part we should understand, because the same lessons, okay, if you will see the textbook of 9th standard, 10th standard, these concepts, okay, will be definitely utilized in the class 9 and 10. Okay, so which are the three glands which play the very important role to secrete the juices in our body? That is liver, pancreas, and salivary gland. सबसे पहले आता है salivary gland, which is presented in the mouth or ductal cavity. Let's go. Let us see. Now let us see the next part, that is already we have started this part, that is the mouth or ductal cavity. Now let us pay attention here. Now, सबसे पहले whatever food we eat, okay, as we are calling it as a eating, okay, but at the same time, it is called it in scientific word, it is called it as a ingestion. Ingestion. Now, what is ingestion? The process of taking a food, the process of taking in the food through the mouth is called it as a ingestion. मतलब हम जो food mouth में डालेंगे, that is called it as a ingestion. Now, after ingestion, digestion take the charge of it. Digestion take the charge of food means what? Whatever is digestive part, just now we studied that the canal is called it as a alimentary canal. okay, or that is also called it as the digestive tract. उस digestive tract में जितने भी body parts है, they comes together and they take the charge of that food. So whatever ingestion we are taking, so at the time of ingestion, whatever food we are eating, that get completely changed by the various parts of this digestive tract. Now let us see the food we chew with the help of teeth, saliva, and the tongue present in the mouth. Now, buccal cavity, this portion, okay, this inner part. I'm going to show you the diagram also. Immediately we'll see this diagram. Okay. Now, if you will see, this is a diagram of buccal cavity. I will explain it. Just see this. This is called it as a buccal cavity, or this is called it as a mouth. Okay. So in this buccal cavity, which parts are there? If you will see carefully, there is a teeth, there is a tongue, and salivary gland. Now, first we'll see the description of this buccal cavity or mouth. Now, the salivary gland present in the mouth that secretes saliva, which mixes with the food, moist it, breaks it, and the starch present in the food into the soup. Now, let us see what is the role of this. See, there are three parts are there. उसमें तीन part in the buccal cavity. There are three body part are taking part over there. That is first one, that is teeth are there. After that tongue is there. After that salivary gland is there. Teeth का काम क्या है? What is the role of teeth? To break down the food, to chew the food. What is the role of the salivary gland? To secrete the saliva. Saliva मतलब क्या? ये जो हमारा थूक हम जिसे बोलते हैं हिंदी, we can call it as a थूक. So ये जो आपका सलाइवा है, तो इसको secrete करने का काम कौन करता है? The salivary gland, and due to that it get mixed with the food and it makes the food moist and it makes the food soft. Okay, and after that the tongue present in the mouth helping. Okay, the tongue present in the mouth help in mixing the food with the saliva and help us in swallowing it inside the mouth. Now it also has taste bud which help in to identify the taste of anything that we eat. Beside this, the tongue also helps for talking. Already in 5th standard, one chapter was there. In that already EVS. Okay, in 5th standard, one chapter was there in EVS. In that already we discussed the different sections, okay, or different parts of the tongue. In that, these are called it as a taste bud. अभी tongue का काम क्या है? Number one, what is the number one? To mix the food properly with the saliva and to help for swallowing. Swallowing मतलब क्या? निगलना, अंदर लेना. Okay, so ये swallowing किससे possible है? Swelling is possible because of this tongue. After swallowing, now one more rule is there to identify the taste. Whatever food we enjoy, देखो हम food कैसे enjoy करते हैं? We are enjoying. So for example, I am saying that this food is my very favorite. Okay. So how you have decided this food is favorite to you? Because I like the taste of that food. Are you getting? And who is finding this or who is identifying this taste over there? The tongue identifies the taste. After identifying the taste, it is also utilized for the talking purpose. Now, for example, whatever I am speaking, it is possible because of my tongue. Okay, my tongue, it is because of my tongue. Now let us go towards the next. Just now I explained that if you will see this cursor, this is a teeth that is called as an outer lip. सबसे पहले तो lip, after that upper jaw, upper teeth, after that there is a lower jaw, upper teeth, after that there is a inner lips. These are called as inner lips. After that there is a tonsil. If you will see, it's the tongue, and this whole section or this whole part is called as a buccal cavity. Got it? Understood? If you have understood, then just show me the thumbs. Okay, chalo, thank you very much. Now let us go towards the next part of this buccal cavity, that is teeth. Okay, pay attention, pay attention. Now see here, teeth, for example, this part already we discussed, just I'm revising. Okay, immediately we'll go towards tooth decay. Now let us see. सबसे पहले that is milk teeth. Okay, the milk. You already know that in our early childhood, the set of teeth growth in the children that they fall off after the certain age, that is 6 to 8 years. This are calling as a milk teeth. In our common language, we are calling it the दूध वाले दांत. Okay, दूध वाले दांत मतलब क्या? These teeth are just for the temporary purpose. Okay, it's are just for the temporary purpose. Okay, they fall after certain age. For example, after the age of 6 to 8, okay, means when the children is there in the first standard or second standard. You may also notice that amongst you, आपके बारे में भी आपने देखा होगा. You may have not seen about you. Just you see your brother, sister, whatever are there, or small children in the school. We can see that their teeth falls over. Okay, okay. teeth गिरना start हो जाता है. These are called it as a milk teeth, or we can call it as a temporary teeth. After that, it comes with the permanent teeth, the teeth that grow after the milk teeth that falls are called it as a permanent teeth. So permanent teeth means what? This will be for long life. Okay, but when it will be long life, we will see in our family there are many old people who are having this buccal cavity, or we can say this is the set of teeth is duplicate, or we can say that set of teeth is artificial. Why there is a need to apply this artificial teeth? Because if you will not take care of this permanent teeth, then immediately they fall off and they will not support at the olden age. Okay, so the next thing is that we have to take care of this permanent teeth. Okay, the generally it remain during the lifetime of the person, or that lasts until old age. It can work or it can function till the old age, but for that it will not be automatically, it will not be happen. Okay, there are so many problems occurs in this death. Okay, many of the children, okay, amongst you also, many of the children, they may have faced this problem, or they may have visited this dentist over there. Okay, so by this you may also understand that there are so many problems are there, but for that what kind of care we have to take, that all part we have to discuss it. Let us go towards the next part, that is types of teeth. Types of teeth. Now there are different types of teeth. Now if you will notice that in our body, or in our buccal cavity, if you will notice in our buccal cavity, there are two jaws are there. Okay, two jaws. One is upper jaw and one is lower jaw. Just in chat box you mentioned it that how many teeth do we have? How many teeth do we have? Yes, in chat box it is visible to me. Yes, in chat box, in chat box. It is visible. It is visible. Yes, correct. 32, 32, 32. Yes, correct. Chat box also I will keep it visible. Chat box is visible to all. Chat box is correct. Okay, so yes, now I will not ask the question in this way, because here many chaos takes place. If I will ask the question orally, I will ask the question orally. You have to mention the answer in chat box. Okay, chat box is also visible to you. Yes, so total 32 teeth are there. Very correct. After that, just tell me if you will divide this teeth in two jaws. in how many teeth would be there in a upper jaw? Yes, 16, yes, correct. Yes, Ashwini, Neeraj, okay, yes, 16. So 16 will be in upper jaw, 16 will be in a lower jaw. Now there are four types of teeth. Four types of teeth. Okay, here it is mentioned from front to back. We studied from back to front. Okay, so just keep in mind that whatever teeth are there, we have to revise it again. So if you will start it from back side, पीछे से start करेंगे, then who will come first? It is molar. How many molars are there? 3 molars from each side. यहाँ से 3, यहाँ से 3. Okay, from this side 3 you can see it in the screen. D section. Okay, I'm starting from the back side because it is easy to remember. That's why I'm starting it from the back side. Just keep in mind that सबसे पहले molar, 6 from right, 6 from left. Okay, sorry, 3 from right, 3 from left. This is for one jaw. Lower jaw में 6, upper jaw में 6. Total molars, that will be 12. Total molars 12. Very good. After that, premolar comes over there. अभी यहाँ पे in image you can see it clearly. What is the role of this molar? The role of molar is that the grinding the teeth present only in, okay, grinding the teeth. इसका काम क्या है? To grind the teeth. Okay, teeth को इसका काम क्या है? To grind the food over there. Sorry, it is important to grind the food. फूड हम जो कुछ खाते तो ग्राइंडिंग पर्पस, ग्राइंडिंग मतलब उसको एकदम पेस्ट कर देना है. ओके, ग्राइंड इट वेरी वेल. दिस इज द रोल ऑफ मोलार. आफ्टर मोलार प्रीमोलार कम्स ओवर देयर. प्रीमोलार का रोल क्या है? टू ग्राइंड एंड च्यू द फूड. ओके, टू ग्राइंड एंड chew the food. Yes, very good. The answers they are mentioning in the chat box. Very good, Devang. So from right side to left side to total premolars in one jaw, that is 4, and both the jaw, that is 8. Okay, आप सिर्फ क्या करना है? Everyone, don't get confused over there. What you have to do? What you have to do? You have to only remember for one jaw. एक तो अपर जॉ के बारे में ध्यान में रखो, लोअर जॉ सिर्फ क्या करना है? हाउ टू मेक इट डबल ऑन दैट. ओके, डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज ओवर देयर. ओके, सो दैट इज premolar. After premolar the time comes of canine. Only 2, but their function is very important. Okay, so 2 canines are there. If you can see your teeth also. Okay, very simple to identify. Okay, the sharp and pointed 2 teeth, from one from left, one from right. So total canine, that is in each jaw, total canine 2 in both the jaw. That is yes, that is for 4 numbers. Okay, the number 4 is there for this total number of canine. Canine का role क्या? What is the role of canine? To tear the food. Okay, or to pressing the food. After that, the time comes for the front teeth that are called as a incisor. अब उनका काम क्या है? To cut and bite the. Okay, these are called as a cutting teeth or biting teeth. इनका नाम ही वैसे. Okay, only these are the some scientific names. Okay, so the incisor are there. Incisor कितने होते हैं? These are front 4 teeth. Okay, it is, you can see it very nicely also. Okay, to my also you can see. Okay, front 4 and downside 4, totally 8. Okay, so if you will calculate all, so total number is 16 in each jaw. Let us, we will revise. Incisor 4 plus 2 canine, that is 4 plus 2 6. After that 6 plus 4 premolars, that is 10. And after 10 6 molars, that is 16. So in each jaw 16 teeth. So upper jaw and lower jaw total altogether they are 32. Okay, let us go towards the next part. Okay, have you understood this part? What we are studying? We are studying mouth and buccal cavity. Let us go towards the next part. Chalo, I will turn off this. Yes. Let us see the common problem which we face in our day-to-day. Okay, For example, that in our surrounding also, in our family also, you may have seen this problem, that is tooth decay. Tooth decay मतलब क्या? What is meant by tooth decay? दांत खराब होना, दांत किडना, हम जिसे मराठी में बोल सकते हैं किड जाना, ओके, कीड लगना, कीड, okay. The tooth decay. We are going to see that how it happens, why it happens, how it looks, okay. Before that, 2 days back I already told that the tooth मतलब क्या? One. Teeth means man. Okay. So tooth is divided into two parts, that is root and one is crown. So whichever visible part is there, that is called it as a crown, whereas the part which is inside the gums, that is called it as a. Now let us see what is tooth decay. Now what is tooth decay? Now the gradual damage of teeth is often called tooth decay. Gradual damage. Gradual damage मतलब क्या? Generally, it we are observing. Okay, I think amongst you also many of the students they maybe they are facing this problem of tooth decay. Yes, yes, you can raise that. Yes, you can see. Yes, even Spurs also. Okay, many times I saw it. But okay. So now why it happens? Actual में होता क्या? Now let us see. The main cause of tooth decay is the presence of bacteria in the mouth that grow if we do not keep our mouth and teeth clean. Very important. It is found that some children they do not clean their mouth properly. They do not brush. Why the brushing is important is all part we are doing that. Okay, so why it is important? The main cause is that the presence of bacteria in the mouth. एक bacteria generate, अभी bacteria आता कहाँ से, from where it comes, that all part we have to discuss. The bacteria आता कहाँ से? Okay, so whenever any leftover food present inside the teeth is broken down by the such. अगर हम फूड खाते हैं, now you may have noticed that at your home also some elder people after finishing their lunch or dinner they are gargling their mouth. Okay, इस माउथ को क्लीन करते हैं, आपने देखा होगा पानी पीते ऐसे ऐसे करते हैं, they are throwing this water out. So it means what? This is a way of cleaning the mouth. This is a way of cleaning the mouth. So what is their main motto? To remove all over the leftover food is there. Food should not be left in our buccal cavity. If it will remain, then bacteria will get generated and they will start eating that. And while eating that, as a result, the acid release over there by this bacteria. बैक्टीरिया करते क्या है? अगर उनको फूड मिल गया वहां पर leftover food, if they will found it, then what happens? Immediately they start attacking on this teeth over there. Immediately they release the acid, and acid release हो गया, then immediately that acid damages the food over there. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, 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 yes. Very good. Yes, who is saying this? Yes, Daat ki sadan. Yes, Devang is mentioning over there. Yes, correct, beta. Yes, my grandmother do that. Yes, yes, yes. It is common problem in every house. If you will see, not that problem is with you, but if you will notice in your family, some or other member is always facing the problem of death. Okay, any one of the member of your family. Okay, why? Because these are the some reasons. Why the tooth decay takes place? Number one thing is that if leftover food remains in our mouth, then the bacteria grows over there, and immediately these bacteria will start eating this leftover food. And after eating, while eating that leftover food, they immediately release the acid over there, and due to that, the tooth get damaged. Okay, the tooth decay can cause the severe pain and even toothless. If you will notice, आप में से किसी को होगा the patient, okay, or patient, or we can call it as a person who is facing the problem of tooth decay, he is always saying that there should not be the pain. Okay, I cannot. Okay, the pains are so severe. We cannot adjust with that. Okay, हम उसमें adjust ही नहीं कर पाते. Are you getting? So tooth decay is caused mainly because of eating food with high sugar content. अभी food भी कैसे है? No, see, for example, आप तो बोलोगे कि no sir, in my mouth nothing is there, but many times it happen we are eating some sticky substances or sticky food item. Now, for example, I will give you the example of chocolate. चॉकलेट अगर खाना है तो कौन सा चॉकलेट खाना चाहिए? तो चॉकलेट लाइक पेस्ट. ओके, पेस्ट के जैसा जो चॉकलेट होगा वो खाना चाहिए. बट द चॉकलेट व्हिच स्टिक्स टू आवर बॉडी लाइक इक्लेयर्स, अगर आप इक्लेयर्स खाओगे तो क्या होगा? इट विल स्टिक. हम बोलेंगे नो आई हैव क्लीन, बट इट रिमेन्स ओवर देयर. So it will attack over there and immediately the bacteria starts growing. So that's why the sugar content, most food item which contains sugar, it sticks in our teeth. Okay, and it causes the problem. You can see it over here. Yes, tooth decay, you can see this is the first stage, second stage, third stage, and even you can see this fourth stage also. Just I will move myself. Yes, and then immediately if it attacks towards the downside, they need to damages for the whole tooth, and for the result the dentists are suggesting to remove the body. So the stage part is we have discussed. Now if you will see this, whatever part I have explained you, it may happen that you may not have understood. Now I'm just now till tooth till buccal cavity we have finished. Now let us come to the original screen. That is, yes, everyone. Okay. So whatever part we finished, okay. So we explain it more nicely. If you will see, when I was in my previous school, so there also I was teaching this chapter. So that time I have carried all the students to this dentist. Okay, and they enjoyed over there. उन्होंने पूरा explain किया है. But nowadays it is not possible due to this pandemic situation. So for that I have arranged, I have spoken with the dentist. Okay, the doctor is Dr. Mohit Bora. I'm going to send you the message also on the group. Okay, so I have arranged. Okay, because I am always thinking that if someone is knowing more, so they should explain you over there, so it will be for your betterment. So whatever part we have discussed about this tooth, okay, teeth के बारे में जो कुछ part हमने देखा, that sir, tomorrow science period, I think third period is there tomorrow. So in third period, that dentist, we have invited this dentist, and he will explain you that all the things very nicely over there. उनको मैंने बोल दिया है already कि our students are very intelligent. Yes, I told them they are very intelligent, and they, so you also maintain discipline tomorrow in the class. Okay, keep your videos on, sit properly. Okay, if you want to ask the question, raise your proper hand. If you will not see the things over there, you just mention in chat box, so he can see and even he can answer your question. So if you also have the questions in your mind, okay, if you are facing any problem, so you can ask it tomorrow. Okay, so tomorrow in third period we are going to arrange this, because what happens is, if you will explain, then you will understand it nicely. Okay, whatever part I have explained, at the same time if you are having any question, you can ask it. Okay, chalo, we will conclude this chapter over here. Sorry, this part over here. Already the first part of this digestive tract is finished. So tomorrow, from tomorrow onwards, we will start the, or tomorrow after tomorrow's period, we will start the next part of this digestive tract. Yes, Devang, what do you want to ask? Yes, yes. If you are having any question, you can make it. It is not an interview. It is not an interview. He will just expert talk. We can say he will explain you all the things over there. Okay. And at last, if you are having any question, you can ask him. Okay. If you want to ask him some question, you can ask him. That is, what is the role of this digestive or this teeth in digestion? Why, if I want to keep my teeth long lasting, I want to keep my teeth strong till my old age, then what we can do it over there? So all this kind of question you can prepare and you can ask. Okay, sure. Okay, so we'll conclude the meeting.